Hello, my queens and my kings of Crosslink. Have a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening, depending where you are listening from. Yes, I really apologize to you guys for not being able to meet up like the way I promised. Yeah, it's almost 2 weeks now. I've not really had that chance to have that opportunity to, talk with, although so many people do call me to consult for one thing or the other. I really appreciate you guys, and I must say congratulations to few of my friends that got delivered in one way or the other. Yes, all we are doing here just to give us those little things we don't really know about, just to enlighten us on the little thing that can just help us and save us from so stress. Okay, all right, so I'm so sorry if you have missed me. Well, I don't know. By God's grace, will be coming up, But in case you don't see us, please don't lose hope. Yeah, we are still here. You can as well contact us. Um, I saw a comment where someone was like trying to, attack me for not giving my contact out. I know my contact is almost everywhere. It's just everywhere. Yeah, if not in all the videos, but in so many comments. So most time I feel like maybe if you don't see, maybe you can check it out. But I know that my comment, my phone number, my personal contact number is there in almost all the videos. Okay, if you don't have it, maybe you're still looking for a way to, maybe you're just a new person to the channel. Yeah, because most of the time we go live, we always give out our contacts. And not just that, the kind of niche we find ourselves, like spiritual niche, we still need to be communicated so that someone wouldn't go astray. So if I don't attend to you and something is not clear, please, I would like you to please don't just do assumption. Don't assume anything. In spirituality, there's nothing like assumption. You need to get it right. Okay, so you don't do something that is going to hurt you later. Okay, all right, so no, it's nothing like assumption. Once you're not too sure of this, please just pipe low and exercise patience. Okay, I know I'm trying my best to meet up with most of your questions. I'm trying my possible. It's not easy combining this with other. I have so many other things to attend to. Okay, so please bear with me. All right. With that being said, I still want to say thank you to those who have been like sticking around us, checking out on us, trying to know how we are doing, trying to how we have faring and all that. I so much appreciate you guys. You guys are I love you guys. Okay, all right. So with that being said, today you can see that I'm somehow happy. No, not just I'm somehow, but I'm super excited, at least for the fact that I'm talking to my wonderful family out here. Is one of the reasons that that gives me the joy to do more. Like you don't know the magnitude, the joy you guys gives me. Like, oh, this is my YouTube friends, like I met such a YouTube. Wow, yeah, I never knew I would have gonna have those large family. Okay, but I'm so happy about that. Okay, so I just ended my 3 days as in prayer, like intense, as in very good. This prayer is not just an ordinary prayer that everybody can jump into, but if you are asking for a particular something, you need this prayer. Okay, you need this prayer just for 3 good days. Yes, within this video we've been talking about psalms, like 2 or 3 videos now is all about psalms. And whenever I try anything out and it worked out for me, I give it out to my friends so that they can try it out. Now that is right, is one of the reasons why I have not been able to be coming up frequently like the way we do it before, because I just want to tell you, in case if you want to do it, just have it in mind that I have tried it before. Okay, so I give myself time to try so many new things, and once this is working perfectly for me, I'm going to give it out so that I don't dish out scrap. Okay, so I have There's not a thing. It's same. Is all about this book we have here. This Bible we have here. This is my Bible. So I want to tell you and share with you what I did 3 days that gave me so much results that I think, in fact, that I don't know, but if I start the testimony, you guys may not really believe me. If I start telling the story of what happened, you guys may not really believe, because the miracle is beyond my own imagination. You can imagine that. The miracle is beyond my own imagination. But I would like to tell the say it out when someone must have tried this out there and come back with the testimonies. Then I would join it together and come here also, because I have some people that are doubting Thomas, like, don't worry, let someone else do it, then we'll know what if you are going to try it or not. So I would like someone out there to please help me and try this and come back with the testimony. So what is this all about? It's just simple tasks that I wanted to do. A very, very simple task. Okay, yeah. Number one is to, if you don't have this, if you're a Christian, you don't have this is my holy Bible. I wonder what you're gonna have if you don't have this. Please get one. Please get one. If you're not a Christian, at least there must be something you all read and believe in. Okay, yeah, we still believe that the creator of the whole universe is God, and He is the one that created all this. And all the stories given here, we know all sorts of stories and how it all started. We also we read about miracles and all this. So do you still believe that those miracles can still happen even in your own time? Even when you don't have the faith, it can still happen. Okay, so the first thing I'll be trying to do is just one particular chapter of the Bible that I would like you to. It's very popular, like it's very popular, and everyone out there who must have been following me here on this channel will believe with me that recently that I've started discussing about Psalm. I always call this particular Psalm. So for that reason, you should be conversant with the Psalm I'm going to talk about now. This is Psalm 35. You're talking just this Psalm 35 is what we are going to need for this. And then you are going to need Epsom salt or sea salt. If you have your cooking salt, please charge it before using it. And then a glass of water. Okay, yeah, Epsom salt, sea salt, rock salt, all those salts, the raw salt, all those raw salts here, and then a glass of water for this ritual. So let me tell you, you have to do this when you are alone. Please don't, no distraction. I know there is what we call communication. When you started communicating the spirit, like, you won't need any distraction of any kind. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Anytime that is more convenient with you. If you are the type that you cannot, you can't, you don't joke with your sleep, you can then start around 9 to do this. Okay, once it's 9, by then you must have prepared your solution. The solution is going to contain water and salt in a glass cup. Okay, or you can just put in a bowl. So when you are done doing it, you just have to place your hand and read this Psalm 35 7 good times. It starts from verse number 1 to verse number 28. Yes, it is something you have to do with all sincerity. It's something you have to do when something is bothering you. It's something you have to do when you are in pressed need of something. When someone is sitting on your rights and you know this thing belongs to you. This is what you need to do to claim it back. When some people are against you for ones you don't know about, this prayer will just scatter them. It just puts confusion in their midst. So if you can try this, please try this. See what you're going to do for me. Get me Psalm 35. You have to read from verse number 1 to the last one for 7 to 2 times, laying your hands on that mixture of salt and water. When you are done reading the psalm, you are going to pray. Though the psalm is your prayer, and declare words. Whoever that is sitting on, your happiness, See, you have a cheating husband. See, you have a land in disputes. You have a family matter that is about claiming people's life. Like I read sometimes ago on Facebook. Hello. See, you have the power to. What is that? So let me just finish this one before I continue with the place I'm about deviating to. So after reading Psalm 35 for 7 good times, laying your hands on that water, that solution you prepared, please take it to a bucket of water. Yes, if you haven't followed me, you know how we prepare our buckets. You don't use the bucket, the regular buckets others have been using to bath or you've been using before now. You are going to use a separate bucket. But if you must use the same bucket, please, you have to use salt to wash it. Yes, wash with salt, charge with salt. And for that 3 days you are going to do it, you make sure that no one else will touch that bucket. So if it's possible for you, just have a separate bucket for your spiritual bath, spiritual cleansing. It's going to save you a lot. So when you are done, you just go in there, pour the same solution into your bucket, take your shower, no sponge, no towel. As you're pouring the water from your head, remember you must have taken your shower once you're back from your normal activities. Once you're pouring your water on your head, okay, you have to start declaring words. Declare victory, declare joy, declare success in your life. And when you are done, please don't towel it, just go straight. Please, no one should enter that bucket again for the whole day, for the whole night till the next morning. Okay, so you are doing this, trust me, things is not gonna remain the same. You must surely have a breakthrough. It is tested and trusted. There is no two ways about it at all. I'm a living witness. Just try this and come back and give us a testimony. Thank you so much for being with us till this point. Love you guys. I will see you pretty soon. Have a nice day.